Hello, welcome to Mukbang. Begin to Mukbang.
We look damn ugly.
I know. Okay, not really that spicy. First mouth.
Yeah.
First mouth. 맛있어.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. 나
Mukbang.
이름은 안디입니다.
Ray, Andy. No cake, no
It's not
cake.
that bad.
No cake, no cake.
It's not that bad. I've had worse.
No cake. It's very nice actually.
Eat slowly, eat slowly. Wow. 맛있겠다.
Let me hear the sound. So good.
I don't need no spoon, man.
Get it out, what are you doing?
Wow. Amazing.
It's really good.
Is it coming yet?
A little bit.
A little bit.
A little bit. No cake, no cake. This is no cake.
That's a pretty big mouth.
Bro, you definitely got more than me, bro. Look at how much you have.
You want more?
Nope. I mean, if you don't want to give me,
More.
you're dying, right? Your lips are dark.
So where we keep transferring here and there.
Wow, hey, yours looks more scary, sia. Oh my god.
Have a try of mine, bro.
I think yours worse, eh.
Because mine got the soup base.
Nah, yours got soup base. They're very hot.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. Yours got kick.
너무 맛있어요.
Yours got kick.
Hmm?
No, your one taste nicer though, because
Right?
the soup base hot, then the thing will have the kick. If this video gets 300,000 likes, we will do a 10 packet challenge.
Yeah. As if that might. Like, share and subscribe to my phone channel.
Remember to comment down in the comment section below
Who's
and tell us what suggestions you want us to do.
like maybe a doggy style or missionary?
Yeah, maybe like missionary or eating spicy noodles.
doggy style or eating spicy noodle. Wow. Hey, my spoon.
My ears suddenly burn.
I'm crying. No, I'm not crying. I'm just sweat. I'm strong.
Almost done. Looks like I'm gonna win.
Need more space, bro.
One more
Bitch,
mouth to
your
go.
fucking hand.
One more mouth to go.
Yeah, mine definitely was a lot.
I'm done. Loser.
Where you going?
Right, yeah, drink.
Don't know. Stay here until I'm done. No. Hey, get a cup from behind. The bottom drawer, gym bath one. Hi. Now it's only me alone. Mine is way spicier than this.
Oh my god. I think I'm dying.
My lipstick.
Nasty bro.
Oh, new.
I'm done. I'll be YouTubers, man.
Yeah. Oh.
Does your parents eat this? No, right?
No.
I'm gonna smoke.
That's it. I'm done.